Hi, this is Fran, your holistic hygienist here at Dr. Gashinsky's Holistic Dental Center. And there are 5 myths about holistic dentistry, and we're here to dispel those myths for you. Myth number 1, holistic dentistry is just like quack medicine. Well, I'm here to tell you that actually holistic dentistry is anything but quack medicine. To give you an idea, holistic by definition, if you look in any dictionary, means some of the whole or some of the parts. So what holistic dentistry basically is that we don't just treat teeth, we treat the whole body. Now, people say, well, yeah, holistic dentistry is quack medicine because they say, oh, amalgam silver fillings are bad for you and all that. But you know, history has shown that mercury is probably one of the most toxic substances known to man. I'm sure you've heard of Mad Hatter's disease. Mad Hatter's disease was back in the 1800s, where hatters, it was very popular back in the day, would use mercury to take animal fur to turn it into felt to make hats. And what would happen is they would become a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression. They would get tremors. They were being exposed to toxic mercury. So the board of American dental surgeons actually stopped. They were using amalgam fillings, and they said, we don't want to use them anymore because it's showing that mercury is so dangerous. So we don't want amalgams to be put in anybody's mouth. And then if you are using amalgam, you're a quack. So that was back in the 1800s. So what happened is that another group of dentists wanted to continue using the amalgams because it was cheap and it was easy to use, and that's when the ADA was formed. So just to show you that basically quack medicine was deemed for people who are using amalgams. So actually that dispels that part of the myth. Holistic dentistry back in like the late 70s, early 80s, a bunch of dentists got together and they said, look, we feel that we need to treat the person, not just the teeth, because the teeth are attached to the body, and anything that's going on in the mouth, it's got to affect the body. So that's when they formed a lot of these organizations, the Holistic Dental Association, the International Academy of Oral Medicine and Toxicology. Well, these are all evidence-based research corporations that will pull together all the valid information together, so that way they show anything that is recommended by these organizations are factual and evidence-based. So we're here to help you get healthy. It's not about just, you know, using incense and, you know, hocus pocus. So holistic dentistry is not quack medicine.